Hey, what's up, Gritopia? Today we're back on another video. Now, this video is gonna be about, let's say, reviewing the game for one more time. A final showcase of this game of Fury. It's actually a nice game. If you haven't, you guys download it. Be sure to download it. Actually, it's free on the Apple Store or the App Store or the Google Play. It's all free. It's free. It's at free. Because look, there's 6,000 players in this game, and currently many of them are here in this game right now. Currently there's like 67,000 online, so yeah. But right now we're gonna talk about the new features. Well, there's a new feature, but it's a pineapple pack, which is, look at these guys. These are really tasty. Yum yum. Now, when you like do something, or you feed one of the big fat ones, well, you get one of these, or you get these, like this, or this, or this. This is really expensive. It's 2 to 3 Roblox. If you guys don't watch Roblox, they're the most expensive. Wait, they're not the most. It's deals or something. But they are the most common thing to buy with. Example, my wing. It's worth 2 Roblox, which is quite expensive and quite long to have when you're a beginner at this game. It's gonna take a long time. And also, in this game, there's gonna be some scammers. So beware when you play this game. Yeah, drop games. You guys know what drop games is? The owner will say, drop your items, and then you drop it, and you get banned for some reason. Cause he's wanting to take some free stuff, but he can get banned. If you guys saw a drop game, just report it to the rsoft.com. That's what you gotta do. And look at this. Yeah. Now let's do something a little bit. You know, I haven't done anything in a long time, and it's all gonna happen. So yeah, we're gonna play some Sleepy-Loosies. Sleepy-Loos. What's the prize? Prize? What is prize? What is prize? What is prize, sir? What is the old-fashioned prize? Oh! Okay. Now I have my set ready for battle. Okay. Let us in. Come on, let us in. Come on, let us in now, or else I'll rage. Wait, come on, get set. Does he mean? Or get set? Oh yeah, he's saying get set. Come on, go. Come on, go. 1v1. 1v1, mate. 1v1, mate. 1v1, mate. 1v1. Okay. 1v1, mate. Yeah, come on. Come on, give me a punch. Yeah, punch me like a noob. Punch me like a noob. But don't worry, I'll win. Win. Okay, there's a noob right here. You guys, the newbies, they're quite dumb, but they don't know how to play the game properly. Give me yummy. Get it, dummy. Turn leg a little bit. There's hell lag. There's tons of lag. Tons of lag. Come on. Gotta go. Come on. Do it. Come on. Know what to do. The sleeper doesn't give up. I got my work. Cause sleepers work a lot. Come on. What is happening? You gotta be near, right? Drag the heck. Kind of laggy. No. Oh, what is happening? Oh. Right? Oh, lol. What an around. One more. Oh, last round. Easy pickings today. Easy pickings. Easy peasy weezy. Okay, know what to do. Give me. Wow. Yep, too easy. What? 4, 5. Yay. I'm gonna get my revenge now. Can I get my revenge? Finally. Okay, YouTube. I hope you guys are still enjoying this video right now, or this episode, or gameplay of Utopia again. For some reason. Man. Oh no! Well, I am ready. I'm ready. I can do. Oh, lag! Let's go! Why is there lag? What's happening? How am I even hitting him? What is happening? What the heck? But I'm supposed to be hitting them that much. Heck. heck, bro? Pretty close. Laggy, laggy, laggy. Oh, what's lag? I'm really laggy. No, no, no! Lag again! What the heck? What lags? I hate this. Okay, okay. Okay. Eh. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Come on, bro. Next time if lag happens, I will change the phone. JK. It's manifest. Not for sale. Not for sale. I'll get my revenge. No lag. What the heck? What's the... I swear, I'll get my revenge now. Yeah, I want it. Ready? Yep. Pull trigger. Got a scratch. Oh, scratchy. No scratch. Wow. Other cool. Other cool. Float. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. I really like these. They're really nice. Thank you. Well, that will be for today. And yeah, see you guys later. And hope you guys liked it and subscribe in 3, 2, 1.